History of Bitcoins. From humble beginnings in 2008 to its 2021 price peak, Bitcoin BTC has taken investors and the world for the quit the ride. In just over a decade, the first cryptocurrency has peaked and crashed and rallied and fallen again over and over on the way to a price in the tens of thousands. Today, Bitcoin is the world's most popular cryptocurrency, and the same advocates believe that it could one day replace physical cash. While Bitcoin is not perfect, investors are optimistic about the developments that have been made since the crypto inception. Bitcoin's growth has relied a fervent community that is excited about cryptocurrencies rise and the opportunities it will present for investors and business. Today, Bitcoin is the world's most popular currency, and some advocates believe that it could one day replace physical cash. While Bitcoin is not perfect, investors are optimistic about developments that have been made since the crypto inception. Bitcoin growth relies communities of thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Here's how Bitcoin did it and where it is hiding. Bitcoin's price history. When did Bitcoin start? Bitcoins today, Bitcoin tomorrow. Bitcoin price history. One of the characteristics that Bitcoin is known for it is volatility. Bitcoin's history is largely one of the astronomical growth punctuated by a few severe price retracements, says Peter C. Early in community and research fellows at the American Institute for Economic Research. Bitcoin's history is a largely one of the astronomical growth punctuated by a few severe price follow at the American Institute in February 2011. Bitcoin's price crashed the $1 threshold for its first few years. As it grew, its price was under $2, says Chris Mark-Zielek, CEO of Crypto.com. In June 2011, it hits its first humble, rocketing to around $31 before sinking back down to the single digit range. Almost 2 years later, in April 2013, Bitcoin reached $2,000. By the end of November the same year, it was worth more than $100. It then rose the $1,000 in November 2017 and all the way up to its maximum price near $68,990 in November 2021. That's not to say it was a smooth ride. Everyone from your next door neighbor to the wealthiest hedge fund managers was talking about bitcoins or some altcoins, new network or protocol. Pharaoh says the ICO craze bright in billions of dollars into the crypto space. Investors saw the value of coins fall dramatically in the early months of 2018 as price crashed amid uncertainty, fraud, and lack of belief, among other physiological and technical factors. Because of these developments, the market of bitcoins has become relatively mature, he says. Smart and efficient exchange exit and care institutional grade players are adopting the necessary measures to create a sustainable and valuable market for the trading and investing of bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. After the fall of bitcoin's value, what you could call a more mature market arose around the cryptocurrencies.